Hello students, from today we are going to start chapter number 6 Lines and Angles of class 9. Student, first we will discuss few basic terms of geometry which we already learned in class 6th, 7th and 8th. First is point. Here you can see A is showing a point. A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, no width, no length, and no depth. A point is shown by a dot. As we know, student, we required minimum 2 points to draw a line. Let's see what is a line segment. This figure is showing a line segment. PQ is a line segment. A line segment has two end points. In this diagram, you can see P and Q are two end points. It means you can not extend this line from both the sides. Students, if three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. It means if A, B and C are 3 points lying on the same line, we will call them collinear points. Line. This diagram is showing a line. AB is a line. If we extend two endpoints in either direction endlessly, we get a line. It means we can extend this line from both the sides. A line has no endpoints. Ray. Here, OP is showing a ray. A ray has one end point, namely its starting point. In this diagram, O is the starting point and we can extend this line from O to P only in one direction. Let's see what is an angle. Here you can see, student, two lines AB and AC are making an angle CAB. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. The rays making an angle are called the arms of the angle and the end point is called the vertex of the angle. In this diagram, you can see here two rays AB and AC are the arms of the angle and the end point A is the vertex of the angle. Let's see types of angles. You can see this diagram, student. Here the angle is your theta and you can see theta is less than 90 degree. It means if any angle is measured less than 90 degree, this type of angle is called acute angle. It means if any angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Look at this figure. As you can see, this angle is showing exactly 90 degree. So this type of angle is called right angle. Look at this figure also, student. This angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. These types of angles are called obtuse angles. Look at this diagram also. As you can see here, this angle is exactly equal to 180 degree and this types of angle is called straight angle. Another diagram is showing This angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, and these types of angles are called reflex angle. Student, let's see what are complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. It means, suppose for example one angle is 50 degree and another angle is 40 degree, and if we add 50 degree plus 40 degree we will get 90 degree. It means 50 degree and 40 degree are complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. For example, 110 degree and 70 degree. When we add these two angles, we will get 180 degree. It means 110 degree and 70 degree are supplementary angles. Let's see what are adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. Let's see the diagram. In this diagram, you can see here, student, this black line is your common arm, and these two orange lines are showing non-common arms. And here angle 1 is angle 2 are adjacent angles because both the angles are on the opposite side of this common arm. Let's see what is linear pair of angles. Students, look at this diagram. As you can see here angle 1 and angle 2. It means angle AOC and angle BOC. Both the angles together making a straight line. These types of angles are called linear pair of angles. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. If two adjacent angles are making a straight line, they are called linear pair of angles. Adjacent angles with different measures. Look at this diagram, student. Let's see which of these is linear pair of angles. Look at this first diagram. As you can see here, there are two adjacent angles, 60 degree and 30 degree. When we add these two angles, we will get 60 degree plus 30 degree equal 90 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. It means this is not a linear pair of angles. Look at this second diagram. In this diagram, if we add 60 degree plus 80 degree, we will get 140 degree. Again, this is not equal to 180 degree. It means it is also not a linear pair of angles. Look at this third diagram. In this diagram, 125 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. It means this is a linear pair of angles. Look at this fourth diagram also. If we add 150 degree and 70 degree, we will get 220 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. It means it is also not a linear pair of angles. Student, if we draw in any surface two lines, there are two possibilities. If both the lines intersect each other, if both the lines are parallel to each other, it means they will not intersect each other. In this diagram also you can see that in first diagram, line AB and CD are intersecting each other at point O. They are intersecting lines. And in second diagram, line PQ and line RS are Non-intersecting lines, they are parallel to each other. It means distance between these both the lines is equal. These types of lines are called parallel lines. Let's see what is vertically opposite angles. Students, if two lines intersect each other at one point, in that case, four angles formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. After rotation, what we will get? You can see here, after rotation, we will get in place of angle 1, angle 3, in place of angle 2, angle 4. It means what we will get? We will get angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These types of angles are called vertically opposite angles. And we conclude that when two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Student, in page number 93 and 94 of your book, there are few important points which we discussed just now. First important point, exam number 6.1 is, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Exam number 6.2, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. This statement is just opposite to the statement of exam number 6.1. And theorem number 6.1 is, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Hope student, now you have revised all the basic terms of geometry and all these important points we will apply in the exercises of this chapter. Thank you students.